Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we learn tree names and their introductions. So, are you excited? So, let's start.
Mahogany, tree with reddish brown wood used in furniture and board making.
Tamarind, tree bearing tangy pods used in cooking and beverages.
Avocado, tree producing creamy fruit rich in healthy fats.
Mango tree, tree bearing juicy sweet fruit with a distinctive flavor.
Pomegranate tree, tree bearing juicy red fruit packed with antioxidants.
Conifer tree, tree producing cones and having needles like leaves.
Rosewood tree, tree with dark, dense wood used in high quality furniture.
Ponderosa pine, tall pine tree with large cones common in North America.
Apple tea, tree bearing grapes, sweet fruit commonly eaten fresh or cooked.
Papaya, tree producing large orange fruit with black seeds.
Banana tree, plant producing elongated, curved fruit with a soft, sweet flesh.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.